Throttle cut. Normal mode. Timer cleared. Gear up.
I'm gonna have to fiddle with the nose gear a little bit. Oh, maybe it's up. It went up. Woohoo! I think he kind of likes his battery pack.
I can hear it. It wasn't whooshing before, now it is.
Oh, my burner's out.
Yeah, your burner's out.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
You got your burner.
No, I plugged it in. I must have burned it out. Yep. No, there's no calibration here at all. It just does whatever it does. No, this one was exposed. There's no glass on it. No, it broke. So that's why I put it in there, because I didn't want to use a good one. But now it looks like I got to switch it.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Kind of like this pack. Yeah.
30 seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna come in now.
Time remaining 14 seconds.
Yeah, it's time to come in.
10. Gear down. 9. 8. 7.
Oh, it's broken in. They're good.
4. 3. 2. 1. Time expired.
They dump everything they have.
Throttle cut.
Probably did.
Normal mode. Normal mode. Normal mode.
Yeah, let me check it. I could have come unplugged. Could have come unplugged. Is it flashing? Or it might have turned off.
No, it's flashing.
Throttle cut.
It's stuck in dim.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. What's the other one? Yeah, it's stuck in dim mode. It's kind of flashing too.
Normal
Oh,
mode.
I know what it is. Okay. So let me.
You have diversity antennas in this one.
What happens is when the battery gets too low, it won't work.
But it died pretty early in the flight.
Let me try it again. See what happens.
You have diversity antennas in this one. How do you have your
Yeah, but it's not. But that's just the way it was set up.
how do you have your satellite oriented?
It's in the in the back.